everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we'll be unboxing the Bytech The Strobe 2 Pulsating LED Portable Speaker. So I got this from Fry's Electronics for around $10. Today we will be unboxing this thing and testing out this portable speaker, but before we do, let's take a look around the box. So here it is. Here's the Bytech The Strobe 2 Pulsating LED Portable Speaker. Here's the presentation of the product. Here you have the portable speaker on what it looks like. Here you can see the LED lights that goes up and down. On the right side of the box, this has a hands-free feature. This works with tablets, smartphones, MP3 players. This has a built-in mic, and this has Bluetooth capabilities. Here's one last look in the front side of the box. Then let's take a look on the side of the box. And here's the other side of the box. And here you can see what the portable speaker looks like. And here's the bottom side of the box. Here's the bottom side of the box with the model number and the barcode if you want to look this up online. And with that being said, here's the back side of the box. So the back side of the box shows you what the speaker looks like on the back. And here's the specifications for the Bytech Pulsating LED Portable Speakers. This has Bluetooth capabilities, and here's the rest of the specs, including the dimensions to give you a better idea on how big this is. And here's what it includes. And this has one Bluetooth speaker, one user manual, one charging cable, and one auxiliary cable. And here are all the legal information and warranty. Pause the video if you want to read that. And with that being said, let's go ahead and finally unbox this thing. So I have my X-Acto knife here. Let's remove the cap and let's make an incision. And let's remove the plastic shrink wrap. Let me put back the knife. So let's open the top and let's see what we will get. So once you open the top, here we have the quick start guide for this portable LED speaker. We will take a look at that later. And here's the rest of the stuff that is inside the box. Here we have the micro USB cable to charge up your Bluetooth speaker, and this also comes with an aux jack for the portable devices, including your phone that has an aux jack. And let's remove the casing. And let's check out the portable speaker. So nothing else inside the box. And here you have the portable speaker. And here's a quick look at the portable speaker. And the build quality. And this has soft touch edges. Here you have the rubber studs at the bottom. And let's take a look at the quick start guide on how to set this thing up. And here's the quick start guide in case if you are wondering on how this is set up. It talks about charging, LED light mode, Bluetooth mode, and aux mode. And here's the specifications again. And here's your warranty. And here's the back side of the quick start guide. And just follow the instructions below. And here's the features of the speakers, package content, and here's the most important feature is how to pair this up. And with that being said, I'm going to pair up my device and we'll test the speaker together. So here's a quick overview of the Bytech The Strobe 2 Bluetooth speaker. And here's the top side, which features these buttons on what you need to know. And this comes with rubber studs. And here's the back side. And as you can see, this comes with an aux jack, the switch to turn this off or on, and the port to charge this device up. And let's turn this on for the first time. As it turns on, you can see the LED lights that goes up and down. RGB, red, green, and blue. And let's test this out. So how to pair this device to your speaker is you have to go to the Bluetooth settings. And once you get access to the Bluetooth settings, this screen comes up and you connect to the Strobe 2 and it should be able to connect. Press OK and you are connected. So once connected, let's try out this song, this music track. This is from the PlayStation 5 reveal trailer. And let's see how this Bluetooth speaker performs. And as you can see here, you can see the LED lights moving up and down in sync with the music that is being played. And to be honest, it's not great quality sound. It's more on a cheaper end sound for this Bluetooth speaker. And let's stop this. And I'm going to bring out my other speaker. And the other speaker that I'm bringing out, which I unboxed this long ago, is a Bluetooth speaker from Insignia. You can get this from the Best Buy for $20, so twice the price that I just unboxed there. And let's test out the music. And as you can see here, this is a huge difference from Insignia and Bytech. It's basically night and day. And you can actually hear the bass coming from the Insignia, where the Bytech speaker lacks the bass sounding quality. So in my conclusion, the Bytech speaker does not outbeat the Insignia speaker. The Bytech speaker is a cheap product, but I would recommend getting the Insignia Bluetooth speaker. But with this speaker from Bytech, you get this LED light feature. So yeah, so that's about it. If you liked this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this product. Let me know what you think about the comparisons between the two speakers. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more unboxing content on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Trinh, and I'll see you on the next one.